So today we are going to talk about WordPress local installation on your PC. First step should be search on Google local WP, and next you can click on local WP. Here you can see now my screen in localwp.com website, and your next step is click on this download button, and you can choose your own platform. It may be a Mac, Intel, Mac, Apple, or Windows or Linux or other type. You can select your own one. Then you can download the WP local software in your computer, and your next step is create a new local WP website. From here, click on add local site icon, and you can see there are two options. You should select first one, create a new site, and click on continue. And here you can type your website name. I will add test.com, and here some advanced options. We don't need to change path or domain name, and continue. If you wish to choose a different path for local installation files, you can choose another path from here. So I will keep the default one and continue. And here you can choose again the platform PHP version and MySQL version. Click on custom, and you can select your PHP version. I will use this version 7.4, but you can choose any other type. And web server is, there are two web servers, Nix and Apache. I will use this Nix. And database, again we have a couple of selections, so you can create your WordPress website on MariaDB or MySQL. I will create on MySQL 8.0 and click on continue button. And here we have finished so far, and we have to add WordPress login username and WordPress password. So you can give simple words like this, test login or something. In common case, we can add admin and password as pass, and you can click here to view the visibility of the password. So this is my password in local site. This is not a strong password. This is not recommend for the any other websites for on live site, and you can change this email to your own real email. This is a test email, but I'm not going to change it now because we can change it later also. And click on add site, and we need to wait a couple of seconds for finish the WordPress installation. So now we can see our WordPress installation is successful, and here you can see two options there, WP admin and open site. We can click open site button and just run the WordPress site, or we can directly access the WordPress admin. So I'm going to click on WP admin. Here you can see test.com, our local site, domain name, and WP admin page. Here you can add your password and username. So I'm going to add admin and password pass. And we can see we have successfully installed the WordPress website and run on our local PC, and here we have successfully logged into the WordPress dashboard. So if we remove this admin area local path, so we can go to the home page. Now we can see our home page is running, and this is the WordPress default installation theme. So you can install new theme from the WordPress dashboard.